Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the iOS 14 battery drain issue. It's actually a common issue that people face on any iPhone model. So here is how you fixed it. But before we start, make sure you give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is go over to your settings and make sure a few things are off. First, you want to go to display and brightness. You want to go down and make sure raise to wake is off. This really helps because otherwise, every time you move your iPhone, it will wake up the screen and your battery will drain. This is a known issue, and this is the first thing you want to work on. The second thing is clicking on accessibility, going down until you find the option. Where is it? Description, text size. I think it was this one. And yeah, here it is. Auto brightness. You want to make sure it's on. Auto brightness definitely helps with battery life. That's what Apple says as well. It says turning off auto brightness may affect battery life, so you want to have it on. And the next thing you want to do is actually go to battery right here in your menu and make sure you have low power mode on, and make sure you see what apps are actually draining your battery. For me, it's personal hotspot, Instagram, and some other ones. So you want to see which apps are draining your battery, and you want to close them just like this. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like. I want to see you next one.